Hello everybody and welcome back to the Shampayne channel. Today we're doing things a little differently. We're doing an unboxing. So Halloween is my favorite season, holiday, whatever you want to call it. Don't worry, it doesn't look like I'm wearing anything Halloween, but y'all best believe I am. So today we're going to be unboxing Jeffree Star Supreme Mystery Box. I am so excited for this. I had to have it. Oh my goodness, it's so bright. So the very first thing in this box, lots of crinkly noises, a tracksuit. It's gonna cover up my Halloween leggings, but that's okay. There we go. But it's really like a straight highlighter yellow. I love it, it's great. The first thing is a Velour Liquid lipstick in the shade, there we go, Venus Flytrap. A shade that I've actually wanted but been afraid to buy because it's so very green. So the next thing is this Supreme Frost in the shade Caramel Kiss. I'm not a caramel person, I'm definitely a caramel person. Give this a look-see, look how pretty that is. So I didn't rub it very hard, but it's like super sparkly. And such a nice color. The next thing we got here is a lip scrub in the flavor Cucumber Mint. Oh, that smells so good. I've seen so many people just be like, okay, I'm gonna taste it. I don't do that. So the next thing in the box here is a beautiful Jeffree Star orange straw. That's what this is. And it has a nice little cleaner inside of it. That's perfect. It's square. Oh, it's a mini breaker palette. That is so great. Beautiful colors that are inside. The next thing I've got here is a lip liner in the color Scorpio. There we go, focus. It's a beautiful purple. So we're gonna swatchy it. It's more of like a gray purple. Still a pretty color, it's just not what I expected. Lip Ammunition in the shade Yummy. It is a beautiful light purple with lots of sparkle. It's just a great topper for anything, really. Next, we have the exclusive shade that is Zombie Kiss. Beautiful. Oh my god, I don't think you guys can see this. It is an absolutely gorgeous, like, royal purple. I'm gonna do something weird. It's probably going to be awful. Let's see how this goes. I love it. It's like electric. It's electric. I don't know what I'm doing and I should not be allowed to touch lipstick. I never promised that I'd make the color look good. There we go. This does not look good as a combination, but they're beautiful colors. I love them both so very much and I'm so excited to have them. Oh my god, no. It's a whole collection. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So it's got Doll Hearts, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, Prom Night, Red Rum, and Unicorn Blood, called the Love Me Not collection, which I'm pretty sure is a Valentine's Day thing. Oh my god, look at Prom Night. It's like neon pink. That is pink, girl. That's like Barbie pink. Yeah, I love it. It's great. Unicorn Blood, ow. I just pulled my hair with it. So freaking cool. This makes such a cool piece of decoration. Look at this. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. If I was going to have a handheld mirror in my collection, this is absolutely 100% the perfect one to have in my collection. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you so much for joining me. If you liked what you see here, please like, subscribe, go ahead and check out my past videos. I try to put out a new video every week. Bye.